This is your basic crank position sensor. It is usually found at the front of the engine next to the reluctor wheel, or at the back of the engine running off a flywheel. It is an active sensor which creates its own voltage using a magnet wrapped inside a coil of wiring. It has two pins, a signal pin and a return pin. The sensor uses a notch on the flywheel or a missing tooth in the reluctor wheel. The notch and the missing tooth indicates that piston 1 is at top dead center. As the teeth pass by the magnet moves, which induces a voltage in the coil winding. Which creates an AC voltage, and you can pick that up using a picoscope. To set up the picoscope, you have to put it on AC voltage with 10 to 20 volts with a division setting of 5 milliseconds per division. Click repeat, and then it picks up the it picks up where TDC is. This indicates that piston 1 is at TDC. You can also test it with an ohm meter using this. You set it to ohms, calibrate it, and then there's 3 readings you can get from it. Overload would indicate that there is a break in the circuit within the coil winding. A reading like this would indicate there's a short in the circuit, and a reading such as this indicates that the sensor's working fine, and as you can see, that's 2160 ohms. The usual reading for a working sensor is between 200 ohms and 3000.